Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Cancer water sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Cancer. First card. Who? See? Queen of Swords. Three of Wands. Five of Swords. Yeah, there is no contact between both of you. I think you cut them off your person. Definitely you stand by your power, Cancer. I think your person maybe cheated on you, lied to you, or some disturbances between both of you. There are some issues, definitely. Three of Wands. Yeah, waiting. This could be long distance relationship also. You are no contact, or if you are in contact, there is less communication between both of you, very low communication. I think the one who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Cancer. But your person only taking, they are not giving. But you are giving so much in this connection. You invested so much in this connection, Cancer. That's why now you are taking your turn. You are taking your power back. Then you stand by your power. You turn your back, definitely, from your person, because there are some issues between you and your person. So let's see some more. Energy could be vice versa. Yeah, Three of Cups. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Third party for some. Chariot. Your person could be Cancer, or you could be. It's your reading, Cancer card. Yeah. Three of Cups with Seven of Swords. Definitely for some it could be third party situation. Your person lied to you. Definitely false communication, miscommunication. Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. Yes, very sneaky energy. Five of Swords and Seven of Swords. That's why you cut your person off. You cut communication from your person. But your person want moment. They want this relationship. They want to continue. But you cut them off. But they're trying to come back to you. Cancer. Four of Cups, but you are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person. Yeah. King of Wands. The Strength. Yes, it could be you. If it is you, you are not going to offer the cup of love offered by your person, because they are cheated on you or lied to you. You know the truth, because for some it could be third party also. Yes, you stand by your power, King of Wands. Your person could be Fire sign also. Strength, Leo also. Definitely you stand by your power. This is you, Cancer. Energy could be vice versa, and there is passion and attraction still there, but you stand by your power, Cancer. Let's see some more. Queen of Cups, Page of Cups. Now your person, now your person want to apologize you. Page of Cups, messages, communication. They want to apologize you for what they did to you in past, and they have emotions for you with Queen of Cups, with Knight of Cups. They have strong emotions. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They want to apologize you. They want to communication with you. Definitely you will receive some communication from your person, and definitely, because they have strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups means strong emotions, and Knight of Cups, definitely it is stable offer, but you have to think twice before commit to your person, depending upon your situation, because it is general reading. So let's pull your person energy, what they are up to right now. Harmony, Ten of Cups. Wow, we are the world. Their feelings right now. letting go. 8 of Cups. Yeah, they want to let go the past. I think they want to let go the things which had happened between both of you. They want this harmony and stability. They want this harmony and stability. Definitely there is separation. 8 of Cups. Definitely they want stability and harmony with you. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energies here are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag. But lot of water energy and earth energies here. Definitely your person want happy family with you. 10 of Cups and stability with you. They want to offer this. Their feelings. Let's see their actions towards you. Cancer, your person actions. Nothingness means Hierophant. They want to commit to you. Playfulness, Page of Wands. The Burden, 6 of Swords. Yes, they want to commit to you. Some communication, definitely they will initiate some communication from their end. And the Burden, 6 of Swords, communication. Yes, they want to solve the things, resolve the things between both of you. This could be long distance relationship. You live in one country, your person, or you both live in different countries, different states, different cities. There is long distance between both of you. Definitely your person want to offer stability and commitment also, because they want to commit to you. And playfulness, yes, some communication. 6 of Swords. Yeah, they want to resolve the things between both of you, but you have to think again before giving the chance to your person, depending upon your situation. For some maybe your person changed, then they will come back to you. So let's pull some cards from the universe for the relation, where it is headed, connection. This 5 of Wands, definitely there are some disputes. Cancer, lot of fire energy. Queen of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords. Separation, definitely there is separation. See the connection cards. I think you are holding back your feelings, I am getting, because you are heartbroken, Cancer. But your person want to fight for your connection. There is a lot of drama is going to be happen, or it has already happened between both of you. Yes, your person is fighting for your connection, or two persons are going to be fight for your attention, but you stand by your power. You are holding back your feelings. That's why I think it's you, Queen of Wands with 4 of Pentacles, Cancer. You holding back your feelings and you stand by your power. Now your person like this, 3 of Swords, they are heartbroken, because in past you put a lot of effort in this connection, but your person not. Now your person want you back because they have strong emotions for you. But I think here you stand by your power, you're holding back. Someone in this connection is holding back in connection cards. It could be you or your person. I think it could be you, 99%, because you stand by your power, but your person want reconciliation with you. They want to fix the things between both of you, but it's up to you, Cancer. So let's see your energy, overall energy. 6 of Wands, Cancer. Definitely you want success with you. I think you are right now concentrating on your career in remaining parts of your life. You want success in every area of your life. That's very good. Let's see your person, the Creator. King of Wands, Queen of Wands and King of Wands. You both are very powerful couple. I think there is a lot of passion between both of you. Your person attracted to you, definitely, because Queen of Wands and King of Wands. Here Queen of Wands and King of Wands. That's why you both are stubborn also. New Vision, Hangman. Definitely your person stuck, but they want reconciliation with you, but you stand by your power now. but apology is coming in your way, communication is coming in your way. It's up to you totally, Cancer, because your person is fighting for your attention. I am getting, because they want you back in their life. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me and click the bell icon. You will get all notifications. Bye.